Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to subtract object in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this, step 1, use shape, and step 2, object or any image. Okay. First of all, use shape. Simply click this icon or pen tool icon, the same, or click this icon. Use subtract from shape or use any size, subtract, or use pen tool path, mark shape or subtract shape. And step 2, object for single color, pen bucket tool, clear, and use press delete, on your keyboard. Press Ctrl D. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.